Hey guys, NOYCE here with today's daily recap. So the account is up 0.43% today. Seems like some of the momentum are coming back. There's some pretty nice entries today, and we do see a hot up in the open, which is pretty rare nowadays. So I'll just go through bit by bit. So firstly, I got in Tara at 806 off a news pop. Then I added on this pullback, kind of like a mid candle play. But since it's dipping back to the mid candle of the news pop on the 5 minute, then I added at 806. So sold off some, and leave the rest to run. So I sold off more than half, so to make sure I wouldn't make a big loss. But it continued to dips down. 780 was the actual mid candle play, but yeah, it couldn't hold. So in the open, I sold at 781, which was the mid candle, to see how would it go. And then finally I got out at 762. Pretty unfortunate. Sorry for the notification. So yep, Tara was a losing trade. I think overall it's a loss because I took 40 cents off here and then 20 cents off here when I only got I don't know, 15 cents. So Tara is a losing trade. And then god damn it, NTRB was the second trade. Same thing. It was, I think there's a news of NTRB around 7:30. Yeah, this news it looks really good on paper, the headline, but I did read up the news a little and I think it's too good to be true, and it sounds way better on the headline than the actual article. Since, like, how do I put it, this kind of, if I'm not wrong, it requires a bit of time, which kind of defeats the purpose. There are a lot of other faster similar ones, so not too big on the news. However, same thing, after the news pop, it came back down around 8. Yeah, I got in at 8. So the highest was 844, then it come down to 8. I added on the full dollar mark 8. So sort of some at the first pop at 815, second pop 835, and then lastly I sold at the final pop at 878. Yeah, I think I only got 5, can I say. Yeah, I only got 3, so this is basically the full position. However, as you can see, it went up, then it kind of halted down actually, if I'm not wrong. Then it consolidated a little, then went up and start forming a wedge. Then I think this is the period that there's a Zach Morris tweet or something, so it instantly went up 40%. However, I got out at 876, but I think it went up all the way until 10. Yeah. Oh, it went up to 11. It's insane. So the news pop only got up to 841, then consolidated, and then the tweet basically got it to 11. So that's pretty insane. But I got out at 878 because it's not looking too good here, in my opinion. Since I don't think it's gonna go up that much, but apparently it did. So I guess that's the power of tweet now, like a PR news or something, and ticker news only got it up this much, then a tweet from some guy got it all the way up to 11. So yeah, after that I didn't trade it anymore since it seems like overextended. I didn't want to chase it. Then that's basically it. Sold off in the market and then hit the bottom of, I don't know, 975, went up again. So yeah, this candle, I think I wasn't there when this happened. I kind of stopped out pretty early today, and oof, look at that, this is insane. Went up 11, came back down to 1050. Thankfully I didn't trade this, else I'll be scratching my head right now. So I'm just gonna get over with the daily recap, then I can get off and not hop into any trade. So nonetheless, NTRB is a really nice trade. 15 cents, 35 cents, and 78 cents, just like that. Of course, it did went up 11, 72, but that's in hindsight, and I couldn't foresee a tweet I couldn't make any trades based on the tweet. So like sometimes there's the, I don't know how you pronounce it, like MEAD, MEAD, I don't know, MEAD tweet could also get tickers like PED going. And sometimes Zack Morris tweet, as they will call it, like Zack Attack, will get it up this much. So yeah, I'm still kind of salty about it. Like a news pop only got it up to here, and then I thought this is already a very great move, but a tweet basically got it up to 11. Nonetheless, a green trade is a green trade. Then after that, we got PETB. I think it's a losing trade. PETB. Let's see. Yeah, going at 297 here. Yeah, thinking it could be a reversal. However, it consolidated, and the open I sold off at 284. Since it was green, so I instantly sold out. So I actually didn't look at this, but yeah, seems like I got fake out, or I got scared out, I'll say. So yeah, I got in at 297, and then I sold off at 284 because I want to focus my mind on GWH. So yeah, turns out it went up to 324, which could be a nice 24-cent move, 27-cent move. So but nonetheless, this is in hindsight, and I got a bigger winner with GWH, so no point dwelling after it. And after all, this sudden rush is pretty uncalled for. I believe probably some chat room, since you see the sell-off. Nonetheless, a green day is a green day, so I'm not complaining. Last but not least is my favorite of the day, GWH. It's been a while since I got hotted up, and this is very awesome. So this is I think I couldn't see the on top. Do I have to zoom out? I think I could zoom out here. I can't. Can I put the price here? Then yeah, you guys have to just make do with this. Man, this is trash. How do I? Yeah. So basically, I got in at 1355. When it's curling up, then I got out at 1379, which is a nice 20-cent scalp, quick scalp. Then I basically went to trade other tickers. So in the open, I see it ran up really nicely. Then it was at this area, I think. Yeah, it went up really nicely. Then I was thinking like, whoa, it ate up 15, and then ate up 16, just like that, ate up 17. So as it's approaching 18, I'm thinking like, okay, maybe I'll go in for a quick 50 cent. So I got in at 1803, yeah, 1803. Then it basically halted up immediately after that. Then when it opened, I immediately got out, seeing how the bid is. 19, 1920, 1950, 80. And I didn't expect it to hit 20. I'm thinking it could be a pick up into a downfall. Seeing how that's just how I feel it might be happening. So when I tried to go out at 1950, then I got filled at 1984, which is amazing, almost 2 points, just like that in a second. Of course, there's a 5-minute halt in between, but like in a second, I got in at 1803 and it halted up. Then when it halted, like just a couple of seconds, I got out at 1984. So yeah, this basically bails me out. If not for this, I probably be only up like a smaller amount today. So I'm up 0.43% today for this small account October TDA challenge. That's what matters. I did not trade this in my big account. Big account I traded like PLT, Grom, Annie, etc. So however, those I don't feel comfortable trading those with this account. So yeah, this is because those, in my opinion, are riskier. Like after this sell off, I got in here at around 7.47 or 4.8, or is it 4.6? I can't recall. So yeah, then basically this is a bounce to a VWAP, which I really like to do. So when it came down, I got here, then sold off near the VWAP. I didn't sell here because I was thinking this is the pickup. I mean, this is the bait. Then it will go down furthermore, which it did. So any is one trade, and I think it was PLT. This for my main account. I remember it was just a 20-cent scalp. I can't recall the pricing. I think it's around 4.4. I think I got in around 4.4 and I got out at 7.3. Yeah, 4.4 to 7.3. Just a quick scalp and I'm done. So just 2 trades for my main account, and all these are from my small account. So ending it with GWH, which turns out pretty nice. Then as you can see here. So I'm actually surprised that, is it Tara PT? Tara PT. Yeah, I'm actually surprised about this PT move, and now that I take a look at it, I could have probably traded better, but when it went out to 284, I was thinking it could go down all the way to 250, so I wanted to be safe and I got out, but turns out it's a bear trap. Yeah, so as you can see the P&L, so far thankfully the account is positive now, thanks to the 0.43 profit today, and it's great to see some momentum today. I really like seeing tickers like GWH. I really like the hold up, and then there's also the NTRB, which moves very nice with news. I think it went up at some point pretty crazy. I think it was 90%. Not sure if it's GWH or NTRB. One of them did went up to 98%. So it's really nice to see some momentum in the market again. Hopefully this will continue forward. Then we can have another nice Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then maybe the momentum was slowly starting to heat up. Then we have a really nice November and December. Since GWH is showing again, 18, the previous price that it halted up, but I'm just gonna shut it down here since I really want to sit on this profit and just walk away green. So yeah, that's all for today's daily recap. As usual guys, stay safe, trade safe, peace.